Hey guys, I'm showing you this artificial ivy fence privacy screen cover, and some have with flowers and some is the empty. So this is the Fox Wine's leaf covering wall. So you can see this is the decoration for an outdoor patio or a balcony apartment or the backyard to have your privacy. So there is this tags that you can use to secure these things, and this is the vinyl or the Fox Wines. It's of plastic, and as you can see this is nicely built and covered, so nobody can see through this one. So, and the good thing is you can attach this with one another with this stick thing and just attach them, and you can do whatever the length or the size or the shape you want in the rectangular shape. So add all this here. And then one by one you can attach. So say like if you need to attach on the top, so you can attach it on the top and have a different shape and the size of this vines. So there are 24 independent panels, of which 8 with the flowers, so I will show that in a later moment. This is a snap design just assembled by yourself like a artificial IV, and you can put it anywhere you want. So as you can see, I'm just connecting it one to another and it's getting a different shape and the size. Then you can use these hooks to attach it to your balcony or the fencing or wherever you want to use. So as I mentioned, there are 24 panels that's of like the simple this IV, and total 24 panels, and these are the 8 panels with the flowers. So you can use this wherever you want to use in the design, and you can create your own design.